Now, what researchers have found is during anxiety, there is a reduced GABA transmission, gamma aminobutyric acid. I told you about this neurotransmitter. This neurotransmitter is a kind of inhibitory neurotransmitter. When inhibitory neurotransmitter is reduced, the brain will have excitation. The excessive excitation is what causes anxiety. Or there is an increased serotonergic stimulation. See, serotonin is very much responsible for our mood. You talk about mood, you see the involvement of serotonin. So this is the problem in anxiety. GABA is decreased or serotonin is increased. So how do you treat? By increasing GABA. How can you increase GABA? By using benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines. Now see, benzodiazepine is a wonderful class of drugs. You will be using it to treat a lot of things. They are used as anti-anxiety agents. They are also used as sedative hypnotics. They are also used to treat epilepsy. They are also used as skeletal muscle relaxants. A lot of uses are there with benzodiazepines. And they are safest drugs. The therapeutic index is very high. Now, benzodiazepines will be acting on this GABA receptor. GABA receptor is an ion channel. When the receptor is opened, chlorine gets into the cells. Now, when chlorine gets into the cell, what happens? Hyperpolarization occurs. Excitation will not be there, rather inhibition is there. So the mood will get stabilized. So benzodiazepines are a very popular class. In this, you have drugs like diazepam, nitrazepam, alprazolam, lorazepam, oxazepam, lorazepam, oxazepam, and then alprazolam. See, these are very popular class. The acute anxiety can be treated by all these drugs. You take a pill, immediately anxiety goes down. People will calm down. That is the reason why anti-anxiety drugs are also known as minor tranquilizers. They will cause tranquility to your brain. The brain centers will get calmed down. Now, serotonergic receptor stimulation is controlled by azaspirones. Azaspirones. Now, in this class, you have drugs like buspirone, zapirone, and ixapirone. So you need to figure out what is the problem. The problem is either reducing GABA or increasing serotonergic neurons. So the treatment is either by increasing GABA or reducing serotonergic. But azaspirones are not used to treat acute conditions. It is only for chronic conditions. It takes at least 1 to 2 weeks to get that effect. Let's say you have anxiety today. When people take these drugs, it will be cured after 1 week. If it is a normal panic attack or normal anxiety attack, it will be cured by itself. So for acute treatment, benzodiazepines are used. For chronic anxiety, when someone has got anxiety for weeks together, then these drugs are used. Now, along with this, one more class is there, that is beta blocker. Beta blocker, especially in this beta blocker, propranolol is used. Propranolol. Now, understand why this drug is used. It is a beta blocker. You know, we have seen about this beta blocker. Now, the job of this beta blocker is it will be blocking beta receptors on the heart. When beta receptors on the heart are blocked, what happens? Heart rate is reduced. Now, what is the major manifestation of anxiety? Increase in heart rate. When that increase in heart rate is controlled, anxiety can be cured. So this is what happens with beta blockers. And propranolol has got a lot of activities. It can easily cross blood-brain barrier and get into the brain. Once it gets into the brain, it can be used to treat migraine, anxiety. One more thing is that it is known as purpose tremors. Purpose tremors is nothing but stage fear. I think all the students might have experienced it. When they are supposed to give their first seminar, when they get onto the dais, when they'll be looking their friends and teachers, they'll have a kind of fear. That is called as purpose tremors. When you have a purpose, you get tremors. To treat purpose tremors, propranolol is also used. So it is a kind of anxiety, social phobia, that is treated by these drugs. So these are all the major classes which are used to treat anxiety. Reducing, decreased GABA or increased serotonergic stimulation is there in anxiety. So reverse that effect, you will be treating anxiety. So these are all the three major psychopharmacological diseases like psychosis, depression, and anxiety. Now, one more disease is there which is related to this one, that is Parkinsonism. Let us see the details